Okay guys, I'm back. I'm back with the video this time of how to change the needle in the white 3355 sewing machine. And like I said, I'm going to break all these videos down little by little, action by action, so you know how to do everything you need to do. Alright, let's flip this around. Okay, see this screw right here? You see this little screwdriver I told you I had in my kit? Okay, we're going to take that screwdriver and we're going to put it in there and turn it towards us like that. This is going to bring your needle out. And then the flat side of the needle. Let's see, where's the flat side? There's my flat side. The flat side goes to the right, okay? Now I have to put my finger on the flat side so I can remember which side goes where. And we just slide. Ray, come hold this camera real quick.
Do what?
Hold that camera real quick. Okay. You take it and you... Well, poo. I'm having problems getting it in there. Shut up. I'm gonna hurt you. I'm gonna hurt you so bad. Anyway. Ray, Lynn. Go be a brat somewhere else. Okay, it slides up in there like that. Now, I hope you see me do that because I was watching what I was doing, not what was on the camera. I tighten this back up. I stick my screwdriver in there. Tighten it just a little bit more. And that's how you change the needle on the white 3355. So, like this video, comment below. The videos will keep coming. The next video is winding the bobbin. And I'll do it after this video uploads. Later. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment below.